They're sold in the chip aisle, but they stand out from all those bags. Pringles are packed in a top that you can pop like a hymen. The stackable saddle-shaped chips with the stealable virginity are sold around the spherical Earth. And the real one we know is flat, too. Before any ingredient goes into the chips, it must go into the factory, because how else would they get those ingredients? Pringles are the world's first recycled potato chips, made from meshing together old potato chips instead of slicing up new potatoes. Pringles travel to stores exclusively by train, and by the time they arrive, they're just bouncing with energy, even when locked in a de-escalation chamber. Each pre-chewed potato is hand-sifted to get consistent Pringles sizes. This batch of taters fails the 40% edibility requirement, so it's put in the garbage. But we're on a tight deadline here, so those garbage potatoes are harvested, pressed, and rolled out into a sheet of dough. Individual chips are cut out from inside the machinery by the man with the world's fastest hands, using the world's sharpest X-Acto knife. Here's footage of Donna stealing some chips for her starving family. Anyway, the chips are weighed and goddamn Donna, I told you I'd cut you a deal and distract the cameras with the chip making process, but you've gotta wait until they're not looking. After the chips are sealed in their cans, a woman with luscious cans steals a few away for even more taste tests. The big-breasted woman appropriately sits in the factory's red light district, so she can use the computer to moonlight as a cam girl while tasting random Pringles chips. This job requires the employee to be replaced every 3 months, since eating Pringles all day causes them, on average, to gain 200 pounds. Yeah, you kids out there watching may think getting paid to eat chips all day is a dream job. But when your arteries begin pushing cottage-cheesed cholesterol around your body, you'll begin to regret it. The chips are assigned a rating from needs a redo to scrumdiddly-dumptious. And sometimes a batch is so perfect, it gets the coveted rating of pretty good, I guess. And all of this work to bring you a chip that isn't as good as Cape Cod. Or hell, any other chip for that matter. Yeah, actually, Pringles suck. Keep up the good work, Donna.